We have started new project in the company Kubay design. This is a Mercedes G63 car 2022. It will be 6x6. Everything was completely disassembled. How it's look like? Everything was completely closed. To avoid sparks. Well, now we'll cut it off. We will cut a new Mercedes G-wagon for $250,000. Almost in half. This is a Mercedes G63 car 2022. In the future, there will be 6x6. You can see it as we have already cut off the back of the car. Already disconnected it. But by the time we got to this stage, there was a lot of work to be done. First of all, the rear part of the car had to be disassembled. Absolutely everything, the tank, electronics, and everything else. We have done everything. Then we built such a stand so that the car always stands straight, so that the diagonal is not a curve, and that everything was clear. That is, we built a stand, put a car on it, disassembled the car, and we will make all the following cars on this stand. Then we completely dismantled the interior of the car. And we will restitch it in a bright orange color. Since our client wanted Mercedes 6x6, we will do it for him as he wishes. We clearly know how to build it, and we have absolutely all the spare parts for it. Since we build Mercedes 6x6 G-wagon, we have the option of ordering such a 6x6 conversion kit, so that you can build it yourself in your country. What is included in this kit? Rear pickup body frame, fiberglass fender flares, the stand, middle axle for Mercedes-Benz 6x6W for 6.3A, rear pickup side hydrophobic yacht wood, and the rear part of the body wall. That's how the rear part of the body wall look like. And it comes with 3 glasses, with all the seals for installation. Well, now I will show you what we are improving in the front suspension in the new 6x6. It doesn't matter if it's 6x6 or 4x4, but if you lift a new G-wagon, then in the new there is a completely different principle than in the old one, and I will show what's the difference. If we want to lift the new G-class, install portal axles, we will face one problem. The wheel will rest against the bumper when the wheel is turned. Accordingly, you will not be able to drive. What we can do, it is necessary to move the wheel back so that it stands in the middle in the arch, to be able to put a large tires. This is the standard Mercedes original suspension lever,
Мерседесовський оригінальний.
and we need to develop it
Треба його розробити так, щоб у цю
so that this part can be moved to the side. We have completely made the drawing of this suspension lever
креслення цього рычага, розробили повністю свій
and developed a
інший
completely
рычаг.
own suspension lever.
Ви можете бачити, як це все виглядає. Тепер це все треба скласти.
Now it all needs to be put together,
І в нас буде
and we will have our own custom suspension lever, Kubay design,
саме під новий
for a new
G-wagon.
G-wagon and for the German portal axles, to be able to lift it.
І взагалі, якщо потрібно буде
And in
отакі,
general, who will need
речаги,
such suspension
ви
lever,
будете ставити портали, і вам
you can
буде
contact
влазити
us.
резина, ви можете до нас звертатись, вони в нас
It will
постійно
always
будуть
be available,
в наявності,
because
тому
this
що
is
це
our
наша
own
розробка,
patented development,
запатентована, і
and
ми
we
ці
can
речаги
implement them
можемо
all
також
over the
реалізовувати
world.
по всьому світу.